GoSun is always innovating to provide you with more independence. A solar table is something new and quite helpful. You can always use an elevated surface while out and about, and in this case, the 60-watt solar panel becomes a small power plant to keep your devices charged up. GoSun's compact solar table is made of tough tempered glass and aluminum, so it's highly portable and durable. Its adjustable height surface provides 8 square foot area that can be used for meal prep, and while underneath becomes a shelter from rain or sun. You'll want to pair it with GoSun's power bank, which plugs into the table's long power cord to charge during the day's sun. The solar table can also be used to charge the power bank while folded, which is often helpful to be angled perpendicular to the sun. Providing critical summer shade for the GoSun Chill, a portable solar cooler, and a great surface for our Fusion hybrid solar oven, these appliances are kept running off-grid thanks to the table's built-in solar module. To set up, find a flat area in the sun, swivel the locking latches near the carrying handle, and unfold while the table surface is sideways. While in this position, you can pull out the legs and lock their braces. With a quick rotation onto its feet, the table is set up. There are 3 height settings, with the highest set around a standard table height. To get there, step on the lower leg brace while pushing on the locking buttons on either leg, then pull the legs up until they lock in position. Once up, swivel lock the table surfaces in the middle, and now you can move the table wherever you want. We love using the table at camp or on the beach. It has become a nice coffee table and a desk. GoSun's solar table can handle about 75 pounds, so it should not be used for sitting. When it's time to pack up, remember to release the middle swivel locks and leg braces before folding, and then reversing the setup. Stay tuned as we work on accessories for your solar table and off-grid kitchen. GoSun thanks you for being part of the fuel-free frontier.